Hello guys, you all welcome on the channel. There are the lots of people who don't know the branches of engineering. They only know 3 to 4 branches of engineering. In this video, we will discuss the 14 branches of engineering. So let's start. Engineering is a stream of education that involves the application of science and technology and the mathematics to innovate, design, develop the new machineries, structures, hardwares, and softwares. Aerospace engineering, it's also known as aeronautical engineering. This branch of engineering deals with research, design, development, construction, and testing of aircraft, spacecraft, satellite, and missiles. Electronics engineering. In the field of electronics engineering, they design, test the electronic circuits and devices. It works on the remote sensing products, also work on the electronics products such as computers, mobiles, and other communication devices and media. Military engineering. It is defined as the art, science, and practice of designing and building the military works. They involve military transport and military communication. Today, a military engineer that operates during the battles is called combat engineer. This is a very rare branch, although lots of people don't know about this branch. Civil engineering. Civil engineering is one of the oldest branch of engineering which deals with the design and development of infrastructure projects such as roads, bridges, tunnels, airports, and dams. Civil engineering has a specialization in various subjects such as transport engineering, hydraulic engineering, environmental engineering, and geotechnical engineering. Biomedical engineering. Biomedical engineering is someone who analyzes and designs the solution of a problem in biology and medicine. It is the application to the understanding and utilization of biological phenomena. Biomedical engineering works at the interface between physics and biological system. The areas they working at manufacturing of medical instrumentation, healthcare, and research centers. Electrical engineering. Electrical engineering focus on the large-scale production and supply of the electrical power. Electrical engineering is the field where it deals with the energy and runs our world. Chemical engineering. This type of engineering concerns the use of a chemical and biological process to produce the useful material and substances. Computer engineering. This is one of the great engineering side nowadays. Computer engineering combines the field of electrical engineering and computer science, create a new computer hardware and softwares. They involve in the design of computer architecture and function across the role as software engineers. Petroleum engineering. Petroleum engineering is a field of engineering concerns the activities related to the production of a hydrocarbon, which can be crude oil or natural gas. It falls under the category of a industrial sector of a oil and gas industry. Mechanical engineering. This is one of the broadest type of engineering side concerned with the design and manufacturing of a transportation system. This is a very broad subject which overlaps the lots of other engineering types. Marine engineering. Marine engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with the construction as well as the operation of docks and harbors installation. The basic job of marine engineering is to design, build, and maintain the vehicle structure lived on or around the water. In this branch, use of lots of branches like mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, and computer engineering. Textile engineering. Textile engineering is growing nowadays. due to the diverse culture and tradition around the world. It deals with the activities of producing textile fabrics and yarns. Textile engineering involves the production control and quality control and sales execution. Mining engineering, the extraction of minerals from the underneath or above the ground. Mining engineering associated to the many other disciplines such as mineral processing, exploration, excavation, geology, metallurgy, and geotechnical engineering. Management engineering, a newly branched. These type of engineering courses combine the industrial engineering skill and business expertise. This is applied where the challenges involved in the both technical and organization terms, or you get the quickly managerial role if you have good technical knowledge. Decision engineering, business statistics, management science, and operation management is this type of engineering management.